Okay, I have some more do-it-yourself repair on condensers for your air conditioning. If you walk up to your condenser and the compressor's running and you can hear it and your fan is not spinning, your condenser fan isn't spinning, one thing you could try is give it a little nudge. See if it fires up. If it does, you have a bad start capacitor. If it's frozen, you could try to shut your power off at your condenser, power off, pull apart the top of your unit, take this off, and see if you can put a little WD-40 on the shaft and see if you can get it to unlodge. Sometimes they're rusted. I already had 2 of them rusted this year. And I've had some good success getting them loosened up and running. So, there's just 2 hints on if your compressor's running, but your condenser fan is not. Of course, if your fan is mechanically stuck and you can't get it unstuck, you're probably going to need a new motor and fan. If you nudge it and it starts spinning, it's going to be a bad start capacitor. So, and there are some hints on some do-it-yourself troubleshooting of your air conditioning condenser. Thank you.